been getting noticed and hired as a product designer, there's high probability that your portfolio might be an issue. But not to worry, this video I am going to be taking you step by step on how to create a portfolio that gets you noticed and gets you hired as a designer. Today, I'm going to be talking about an important aspect in your career as a designer. If you do not know how to create a portfolio, then you don't want to watch to the end. Portfolio essentially shows your skill as a product designer. It shows things that you've done before, previous work or your recent work. And if you're a beginner, you want to learn how to actually put this into a very orderly manner. And you want to know what details and what information to include when creating your portfolio. The very first thing to do when creating a portfolio is to define your niche. Are you a UX designer? Are you just a UI designer? Are you a UX designer, UX researcher? This will essentially help you know what skills you want to include, what type of portfolio you want to build, and elements you need to include in your portfolio. Let's say, for example, if you're just a UX researcher, you want to basically put more of insights and data and analysis that you've done as a UX researcher. So once you define that, then you can move into the next step. The biggest misconception is that you need 10 to 20 design projects as a designer when you're starting out in your portfolio. You do not need as much as 10 or 20 design projects. Having one or two personal projects that essentially is well detailed and would show and display the whole design process, your design process, how you're able to solve a problem is enough when creating a portfolio as a beginner. So you don't need the quantity or random works. 2 to 3 is enough. After selecting your best job, you want to ensure you actually have a structured portfolio. You want to use clear headlines, clear title, clear description. This will make it easy for your hiring manager or people that want to work with you to easily find their way around your portfolio and go straight to whatever skill they're looking for. Let's say, for example, you are a web designer, you design mobile apps, you design dashboard as well. You want to have everything in a disorganized manner on your portfolio. You want to be able to create section for them. So you have section for website design, you have section for dashboard design, and you have section for mobile application. If you have case study and images, you can create a section for case study, or you can create a section for just plain image. I have that on my portfolio as well. This would actually help people to, see if you can do mock-ups or see the design process that you have on your portfolio. So when creating a portfolio, include a structure. Next thing you want to do is to actually showcase your process, be it sketch, wireframes, images, screenshots, corrections you take, feedbacks you improved on. You want to include all this tiny little bit while creating your portfolio. If you're just starting and it's a personal design task, you want to ensure you are showing the fact that you conducted research, you picked an idea first off, you conducted research, you did a brainstorming, the whole design thinking process. You want to essentially show that. If you have that in your portfolio, that process in your portfolio, trust me, and it's detailed and help work whoever is going through your case study to fully understand that product you're working on. Trust me, that is a key important step when you are creating your portfolio. Showing your process eventually leads to you creating a case study, which is actually important when you're creating your portfolio. It's a case study. They want to see what you do, why you make certain decisions, why you choose the final color, why you choose. It's just a lot of questions that you need to actually hide, and that makes up a case study, which is actually what you need in your portfolio. There are several platforms that you can use to create your portfolio, platforms like Dribbble, Behance, but if you want to take it top the notch, you can use CMS platform to design personalized website for yourself. But if you are going to be using CMS platform, you want to have it at the back of your mind to ensure responsiveness on all devices, knowing that a lot of people are going to be viewing your portfolio via their mobile phone, since that is the easiest and the fastest way they can view it. But yes, I'm not going to rule out the fact that the web version is okay. You want to ensure it is highly responsive on all mobile devices. If you're going to be using CMS platform like Wix, Framer, etc. Last thing would actually be to update your portfolio as you grow. I understand that yes, having to come up with one case study can be stressful. I understand, but as you grow older, as you work more on several tasks, you actually get to see that your best job now is not going to be your best job in a year or 6 months, because you might have worked on other tasks and you need to keep your portfolio updated as well. So as you're working on more design, ensure you keep your portfolio really updated. All right guys, that is all regarding the portfolio creation video. If you're just coming across my video, do well to click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to get notified anytime I release a new video. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you very much. Do well to give this video a thumbs up and also share this video to people that you know might benefit from this video. My goal is to reach 1,000 subscribers before the end of the year, and I know I cannot do that alone, so I would really appreciate the shares and the subscription. So thank you guys, and do have a nice day.